So you'd never know, but we're in Benchlands Terrace today to showcase this townhome to you, and it's really marries everything together. We've got pure nature. You might see deer, you might see squirrels, you might even see the odd cougar once in a while back here, but it's the perfect blend of nature and modern living. We've got nature in the back and full sun and views in the front.
We're located at the top end of Catamount Court today, and we've got a 3-level townhome, and this complex is well taken care of. We've got new windows, a brand new garage door, in-floor heating upgrades, fresh paint. Let's go in and take a look.
We have 3 levels in this townhome, and we're on the main level. It's beautiful. It's got open concept. We've got 9-foot ceilings, and the living space faces onto a ravine, and that's where your back deck is, which Sophie's going to show you in just a second. But it really gives you a sense of privacy and a sense of peacefulness.
You're right, Richard. Check out this amazing deck. You're backing right onto the ravine. You can hear the birds. It's a great spot to enjoy a barbecue.
Or even just a great space to hang out after a busy day at work.
This is where I want to be. You've got that southeast facing sun that floods into the kitchen. You can enjoy a morning coffee, soak in those incredible views. And this kitchen is huge. There's plenty of cabinet and counter space, and the current owners have thoughtfully updated the appliances while adding this beautiful revival plank flooring throughout the level.
Rounding out this level, before we go upstairs, we've got a 2-piece washroom and your laundry.
Upstairs you've got 2 generous sized bedrooms, and if it was me, I'd want this one. You've got a nice walk-in closet, great for those clothes. And because you've got the southeast facing aspect on this side, you're going to get all that morning sun, and check out those mountain views.
So Sophie's wrong. If it was me, this would be the primary bedroom. It's in the back of the house, facing onto that ravine, so it's super nice and quiet when you need to sleep, and it's still got generous closet space. For me, this would be the primary. Rounding out this level, we've got the 4-piece washroom. So this ground level is where the home gets really flexible. We've got a walkout just behind me onto a very private patio again, but this could be anything you want it to be. Right now, it's the 3rd bedroom of the home.
Or it could be an amazing family room, a playroom, a home office, or even a very private guest bedroom, as you've also got a 3-piece washroom.
If you do decide to have this lower level as your guest suite, then they've got their own private patio just back here. It's again really peaceful. Backing onto that ravine, you can watch the squirrels running up and down those trees all day long. It's really peaceful, and it gets you out of that south-facing sunlight when it's just getting a little too warm in the summer.
So if you're looking for just a little bit more space, sun, incredible views, and a bit of tranquility,
You gotta check this one out. Thanks for watching as always. If you've got any questions, our contact information is just below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some more videos coming in the next few weeks.